Introducing the Trooper Max antenna platform for public safety and intelligent transportation applications. Today, rapid and continuous access to information is essential to improving traffic efficiency and enhancing public safety and comfort on the road. And PCTEL's slender 5G-ready multi-spectrum Trooper antenna platform makes it happen. Its unique design features a rugged, aerodynamic and UV-resistant black radome for demanding aesthetic requirements. The Trooper Max platform with 5-in-1 and 6-in-1 options has you covered for cellular, Wi-Fi, GNSS and UHF connectivity. With two 5G elements supporting 600 MHz to 6 GHz frequencies, the Trooper Max platform is compatible with the world's leading cellular routers. The Trooper Max's narrow footprint fits between the ridges of the new leading police sport utility vehicles. This platform is also designed to provide maximum protection against water or dust under the harshest environmental conditions. For intelligent transportation systems, it's the Trooper Max purpose-built antenna platform from PCTEL. PCTEL, enabling wireless connectivity.